In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automatic installation of Dotfiles in GitHub Codespaces. This is a handy feature that can save you time by ensuring that your settings and preferences are automatically applied to every new code space you create. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to the GitHub dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice in the top right corner of your screen, there's an icon that represents your profile. Go ahead and click that. This small step is crucial because it takes you to a menu where all the settings related to your GitHub account can be accessed. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for and select Settings. This will direct you to a new page where all your account configurations are located. Settings are like the control center of your GitHub experience, providing you with tools to tweak your preferences and manage your repositories efficiently. When you're on the settings page, look to the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll see a list of different categories. Scroll through this list and find the section titled Code Spaces. If you're not already in the Code Spaces section, simply click on it. Navigating to this section will allow you to adjust settings specifically related to your Code Spaces environment. Now that you're in the Code Spaces settings, focus your attention on finding an option that says Automatically Install Dotfiles. This setting is what allows your Dotfiles to be installed automatically in each code space. Once you locate it, you'll see a checkbox next to the description. Go ahead and click on that checkbox. By doing so, you are enabling this feature, which means that every time you spin up a new code space, your Dotfiles are automatically installed. This can be a real game changer because your customized settings will always be ready to go without any additional hassle on your part. Understanding what Dotfiles do is important. Essentially, they are files that begin with a dot, storing configurations for various tools and processes. Having these in place can significantly streamline your workflow. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully enabled the automatic installation of Dotfiles in GitHub Codespaces. This feature helps ensure your development environments are consistently set up to your liking, letting you focus more on coding and less on setup. Thank you for following along, and I hope this feature helps improve your coding efficiency. Be sure to explore and tweak further settings in GitHub to make the most out of your coding journey.